Caught in an earthquake? Stay calm and remember these 3 crucial steps. First, drop to your hands and knees to prevent being knocked over. Second, find cover under a sturdy piece of furniture or against an interior wall away from windows. Lastly, hold on until the shaking stops. If outdoors, stay there. Move away from buildings, streetlights, and utility wires. Never use elevators during an earthquake. They're traps waiting to happen. If driving, stop as quickly and safely as possible, then stay in the vehicle. Earthquakes can be terrifying, but survival is possible. Remember, drop, cover, hold on. Stay safe, everyone.